Let's put out the news break that's coming in. Rather sad news. Vinesh Phogat, who has been disqualified from the Paris Olympics. In fact, a statement that has also come in from the IOC at this stage, informing that Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified. Reading out the statement that's now come in, it says it is with regret that Indian contingent shares news of the disqualification of Vinesh Phogat from the women's wrestling 50 kg class despite the best efforts by the team. Through the night, she weighed in a few grams over 50 kg this morning. No further comments will be made by the contingent at this time. The Indian team requests you respect Vinesh's privacy and that it would likely to focus on the competitions on hand. So Vinesh Phogat, who has been disqualified from the Paris Olympics. That being said, important to mention here that Vinesh Phogat was said to be the first Indian woman wrestler to have reached the finals in Olympics. Let's go across to Shivangi. She's joining us live from the newsroom right now. Shivangi, that's a heartbreak. Vinesh Phogat, who's been disqualified. Take us once again through that detailed statement that's coming from the IOC.
This is a big breaking update coming in right now, Samiksha. Now, this was very likely, in fact, around few hours ago, 24 hours ago, there were reports already doing the rounds that she could be disqualified because of she could not make the weight on the morning of a 50 kilogram gold medal bout. And now what we're learning right now, the press statement is out. I just want to take our viewers through that entire press statement because Samiksha, you already have read it out for our viewers. I'm going to read it again. It's with great regret that the Indian contingent shares news of the disqualification of Vinesh Phogat from the women's wrestling 50 kilogram class. Despite the best efforts by the team, through the night, she weighed in a few grams. I repeat, she weighed in a few grams over 50 kilogram this morning. No further comments will be made by the contingent at this time. The Indian team requests you respect Vinesh's privacy. It would be great if she focuses on the competitions on the hand. A very big update coming in right now. We'll be joined in just a short while by Rakshita. If we have Rakshita joining us on the phone line, we can go to her. But this is very, very big because we were coming to know that wrestler Vinesh was weighing 100 grams over the permissible limit. And that has led to her disqualification.
Let's go across to Rakshita also, who's joining us on the phone line. Rakshita, it's a heartbreak. Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified. Take us once again through that statement that's coming from the IOA at the stage.
Disappointment, because India had high hopes and, for the first time a female from India, an Indian female wrestler had qualified for the Olympic final. And, the wrestlers go through the tests every time because they have to fit in a particular weight category. And what we understand is that she was 50 to 100 grams more than 50 kg in the category, in the weight category she was fighting. She was going to wrestle, she was going to participate. Now, as per the statement, it is, I quote, that it's with regret that the Indian contingent shares news of disqualification despite the best efforts by the team through the night. She weighed in a few grams over 50 kilograms this morning. No further comments will be made by the contingent at this time. Indian team requests the